Do you love to have fun at school? Just imagine giving your teacher a bouquet with worms, putting an octopus into a cup of coffee, and finally, drinking some ink. Don't do it at school. Keep smiling and enjoy our new pranks. Miss Smith has put on her brightest red lipstick. She keeps smirking and flirting with someone on the phone. Everything suggests that she has finally met a boyfriend. I wonder who he is. Maybe it's our PE teacher. Yuck! It's weird to see your strict teacher behaving like a teenager. But on the other hand, a romantic Miss Smith gives us a good reason to prank her. Let's make a beautiful bouquet of flowers. Make a bouquet out of fresh sprigs and berries. Tie it with a ribbon and make a neat bow. Spray the bouquet with clear polish and sprinkle with glittering stars. Now, decorate the bottom of the bouquet. Knead white and black modeling clay. Roll out a thin snake of the black clay. Put it on a sheet of the white clay and cut out a strip. Wrap the white modeling clay around the black snake and roll it up. Cut it into small pieces and shape each piece to look like a worm or larva. Make rounded ends. Scratch rings on the worm's body. Bend the clay worms a little to make them look more realistic. Attach them to the bottom springs of the bouquet with super glue. The bouquet with worms is straight from a garden. It will certainly make a woman happy. Complete this romantic set with some delicious candies. Suck soy sauce into a syringe. Fill chocolate candies with the spicy filling. Wrap the candies with wrappers as though nothing is wrong. Put the bouquet into a vase and voila! Add a card from a secret admirer. Ready? Teleport the vase onto the teacher's desk. Send the candies as well. Miss Smith finds the gifts. It's so unexpected. She is sure that it's a love delivery from her boyfriend. Marvelous! She puts a candy into her mouth and takes the bouquet out of the vase at the same time. Oops! Double strike! The candy is too salty, and the bouquet is a home for worms. Ghastly! But Miss Smith sees her students laughing, so it gives her a clue that her boyfriend has nothing to do with it. The girls at the farthest desk are responsible for these shenanigans. Miss Smith is no slouch too. She decides to ruin her students' little snack. As soon as the girls are about to enjoy a banana and an apple, the treacherous teacher stops the time and starts working magic on the fruit. Bend thin wire to make 2 loops joined in the middle. Cut off the excess. Make a stem to stick the wire into fruit. Paint the midge with black nail polish. Cover it with clear nail polish so that there is a thin film on the wings. Make a whole swarm of midges. Stick the fireflies in the fruit. The girls stretch out to take delicious fruit, but the flies discourage them from having a snack. It's so disgusting. Even if the insects are not real, the fruit does not look tempting anymore. Well, Miss Smith, the midges are only the first strike in our prank war. Get ready, teacher! Let's prepare an aquarium pencil case for the teacher. Fill a Ziploc bag with water. Zip it and put it into an empty pencil case. Put school supplies on top. Shift the pencil case closer to Miss Smith. She puts a pen in it without looking and pricks the water bag accidentally. Little by little, the desk is being flooded. The teacher is confused. Where does the water come from? It's your students' tears, Miss Smith. Miss Smith never lets us have fun during classes. As soon as we start dancing, she makes a remark. We have to entertain ourselves another way. I will give a pen with a spring and a sticky notebook to my friend. Attach double-sided tape to a notebook cover. My friend takes the notebook and her hand sticks to the cover at once. This notebook is a special one. It'll make the knowledge stick to you. Meantime, my sleeve is the only thing that sticks. After getting off the notebook, I take a pen, but weird things continue to happen. The pen retracts at the most unexpected moment. Take a spring out of a retractable pen. Snip off the refill of a regular ballpoint pen. Attach a spring to it. Put the refill back into the barrel of the regular pen. My friend must have given me a lazy pen. It refuses to work. It keeps goofing off and dipping suddenly all the time. Well, that's enough. It's been the last straw. The blue-eyed girl has made me go nuts this time. A real war is going to begin. It's great the peacemaker Miss Smith hurries up to stop the conflict. She persuades the girls to stop fighting and to make up the quarrel, but the enemies still keep holding grudges. The stress must have made a huge effect on my neighbor's mental health. She is going to drink some ink. Pour ink out of the bottle. Wash it thoroughly and pour Coca-Cola instead. The blue-eyed girl tries to stop her friend. Drinking ink is dangerous. However, nothing bad has happened to her. Then, the blue-eyed girl takes the risk to taste what there's inside. It's just delicious Coca-Cola.